Okay, we're in Macau. It's what's today? It's getting close to Chinese New Year. It's January 17th. And so a lot of people coming in, like tons and tons of tourists. And the question most people are asking me, or are curious about anyways, not always asking me, but they want to know about masks. So this video is kind of about how busy it is, but also about how many people are still wearing masks. So we're gonna just go walk up for about 7-8 minutes. We're gonna maybe just see if we see anybody without a mask, and we'll see if we can count those. All right. And we'll do a little bit of talking about it as well. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Hear the other voice, it's Iz.
Me. Hi.
Where's Izzy? He's right here.
That's me. Follow me on my channel. Thanks. Let's go.
All right, so we're gonna see who's not wearing a mask. I see one that's kind of half off there. It looks like an accident. It's like there's a guy without a mask. Carrying a baby, of course. That's two. But actually, in the past, when I would go down this street, there would be like, you know, just a fraction of the people that are here now. So yeah. So the chances of seeing people without a mask here with this density like this is
I think that here particularly you're going to see 95% of people wearing masks.
I think so too.
Right.
And you kind of had a theory about that, right?
Yeah, well, I think that even though the restrictions are coming down, people are just so used to it. And even though I think at this point 90% of people in Macau have caught COVID, I think that they're still wanting to wear the mask as a way to protect themselves, even though the requirements may not be there.
Yeah.
You know,
I think both of us kind of have observed as well that a lot of Macau people, they just throw the mask on without even really thinking about it. It's just like such like second nature at this point.
Right, exactly. And the only thing that's really hard to say is how many people here are tourists versus locals. But I would probably say at least 70% have to be tourists, right?
I would kind of feel that way just based on the density of people walking around.
Yeah.
And today is, I don't know if it's everybody would have holidays right now, but it's not the official.
So here's the thing. Today is a Tuesday. It's a Tuesday in the middle of the day.
Yeah.
And Chinese New Year is coming up. So, I mean, it's got to be so much more busier in the coming weekend.
Yeah. I can't even imagine what that's going to be like. Yeah, you're just getting a taste of it today.
You know, it does make me happy to see Macau so full of people after 3 years of basically being empty and so lonely.
Yeah. Yeah, it's funny. I didn't think this would happen this quick though.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice.
Yeah, and actually I was I remember that before COVID, especially this street up here that we probably will walk in that direction. But actually I might just capture this little crosswalk real quick, and then we're gonna go to the left. But I remember in the past, like that's the street that we're gonna walk down, but actually all these streets, so you can see all these crowds, but these are still kind of wide, and they kind of go out to another spot, and that's of course is really wide. But the one that we're gonna go down is this one, which is quite narrow.
This is on the way to the ruins of St. Paul, and yeah, it used to be that it was really hard to just even walk through here.
Yep.
Right, there were so many people that you had to do to take small steps.
Yeah.
And we're not there yet, but we're getting there.
But should we actually Iz and I were both talking about this dumpling shop.
I love it. I love it.
So I think we should definitely film it, and maybe we should have some dumplings as well, and then we'll continue on our walk as well. But this is actually I haven't seen this so busy as well, but actually we got people everywhere in this area today. So we're gonna grab some dumplings, and we're gonna head back out to that street in a little bit.
All right, Kevin, show us how it's done. Let's take a look.
So we got these dumplings, and this is the pre version, and then there's the prices up there, and it says fried dumpling or fire dumpling.
Fire dumpling, 5 for $10. It's a really good deal. Oh, look, she's putting them in now.
There we go. That's some really good footage. Yeah, they got like different kinds of dumplings. They got other kind of stuff too.
Show us what you're doing over
And
there.
I'm just gonna add this little sauce in here. Usually I buy this plastic one for an extra $1 because I can, but you can also just get it in plastic bag. And then,
sorry, Kevin, this looks very interesting.
yeah, you should definitely film that. I'll just narrate with the voice, anyways. But yeah, this one, I think it's been here. There's a long history with it as well. Yeah, there was I forget. Somebody was telling me a little bit about it. But
ready to try it?
yeah. Let me these babies ready.
Let's see
A
it.
little bit of sauce in there.
Looks good, huh? Hot? Is it hot though?
No.
Oh, it's not bad? The temperature's good? All right, let me try.
Nice stop. So we're gonna enjoy these for a little while. Then we're gonna continue and kind of check out all the masks. That's good.
Fantastic.
And we're basically in this little alley going between Senado Square, Sao Domingos, and Sao Paulo ruins. Lots of people wearing masks.
Let me teach the viewers something. In Cantonese, when something is delicious, homado means delicious. Or hosik. We can say both of those ways.
Sounds pretty useful.
Yeah, it is. Very good.
Okay, so that's where we just had the dumplings down that way. So Izzy and I are going to walk up to the kind of a bottleneck, and we just want to capture how thick the crowds of people will probably be when we get up here a little bit. And actually, like, this isn't the bottleneck yet, but but this gets kind of bottleneck around the corner up here. But actually, even here, you can feel it. Actually, a lot of people are quite receptive to the camera. Yeah. I just had somebody just do like the thumbs up or the rabbit ears.
Alright, so on this bend over to the right is where it should start getting quite congested because it's on the way to the ruins of St. Paul.
And we're heading that way. Yeah, I don't know about you, but like in the past, I used to get around this area and then I would try to navigate back alleys and come up a different way because it was so sometimes it was like a shuffle.
Yeah, you couldn't even move. Oh, look at that. Yes, look at it.
It's back to that way it was.
I got it.
So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna conclude this because this is I'm gonna do a separate video of just how crowded and dense it is. And we definitely got it. This is gonna get a good photo right there. And I'm gonna conclude this one. So we basically did a mask one with that nice place to eat. So we're gonna conclude. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la posibilidad.